Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a mood board on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to pinterest.com and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on your profile. After you click on your profile, you can see that these are all my boards. Now I'm going to create a new mood board. So you can see the plus icon on the right hand side, tap on it and click board. Now I'm going to rename it to football. So I'm going to rename it to football vibes mood board. If you want to keep this secret, you can do that as well. If you want to add collaborators, you can type in their email address and name and collaborate with them. So you can see as soon as you write the name, you can see the collaborator option over here. You can add them. Go ahead and click create. And there you go, your mood board has now been created. Now there are some pins they want to save. So if you want to save some pins, you can see that you can easily add these. So you can click on save as soon as you see the pins you want to really save. So you can see some of the pins available here. You can add pins anytime you want. Just go ahead and click on done. Now you can go back to your home and you can see the save icon over here. Just go ahead and click on save and it will be saved, or else you can go to the full version of the image and you can see the saved version. Just go ahead and click on this drop down menu, scroll a bit down and you can see the mood board over here. Just go ahead and click on this. Now if you scroll a bit down and click save, it will automatically be saved to the mood board because this is the last change you had made. So this is how you can create a mood board on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.